In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a payment link in Stripe using easy steps. Whether you're a business owner selling products or someone needing to collect payments for services, having a quick and efficient way to handle transactions can be crucial. Today, we'll walk through creating a payment link in Stripe, allowing you to share a simple, clickable link with customers to receive payments directly into your Stripe account. First, let's start by heading over to your Stripe dashboard. Once you've logged in, focus your attention on the side navigation where you'll find the option labeled Payment Links. Click on this to open up the Payment Links section. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to create a link that you can send to anyone and they can use it to pay you without needing any complex integrations or coding knowledge. Now that we're in the Payment Links area, you'll want to initiate the process of creating a new link. Look for a button or link that says New or Create Payment Links. This is usually prominently displayed to help you get started quickly. Clicking this option will lead you to a new page where you'll input the details of your product or service. Here, you'll need to enter the product name. Make sure you choose a clear and descriptive name so that your customers instantly know what they're paying for. Add any other necessary details about the product. This might include a short description, pricing information, or any other metadata that helps explain what the payment is for. Providing thorough information here is beneficial as it reduces customer confusion and increases the likelihood of completing the transaction. Once you've carefully filled out all the necessary fields with accurate information, the next step is to finalize the link creation. Go ahead and click on the Create Link button. This step is crucial as it generates the payment link you can distribute to your audience. Stripe takes care of the back-end processing and provides a secure URL for you to share. With your link now created, you can now distribute this to your customers. You can send it via email, embed it in your website, or share it through social media. The beauty of a Stripe payment link is its versatility. You can use it anywhere you have contact with potential customers. In summary, creating a payment link in Stripe is an efficient way to manage payments without dealing with complex setups. It's as simple as visiting the dashboard, selecting payment links, entering your product details, and generating the link. This convenience is a powerful asset for anyone looking to streamline their payment processes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.